Hi, and welcome to Stella's Baking Adventures. Today we're going to be making a cake. I'm so excited to share this yummy dessert with you. Let's go! First, we're going to add peanut butter and oil into our mug. We're going to add 1.5 tablespoons. Now that we're done with that, we're going to be adding our peanut butter. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of our peanut butter into our mug. Now we're going to use our spatula to stir it all together. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and sugar and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Before we add our final ingredient, make sure to stir it really well. You'll know when it's done because it'll be all nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our chocolate chips. Now let's stir the chocolate chips in. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. But before we eat it, we have to make sure that we cook it. I'm gonna put it in my microwave for 50 seconds because I don't want to overheat it and I don't want it to not be cooked enough. If it's not cooked enough, I'd put it in there for another 10 seconds and then it should probably be good. Let's do it. It looks really good to eat, but before we eat it, we have to make sure that it cools down so it doesn't burn your mouth. We're gonna let it cool for 1 or 2 minutes. I forgot to say in the beginning of this video, remember to have adult supervision and like and subscribe in the comments down below. Okay, now that it's all cooled, I'm gonna have my brother and his friends come in to taste test it to see if they like it or not. I hope they like it. Come on, guys.
Alright, so Harper, you go first.
Okay, I'll just try a little bit of this. It's hot.
hot, but that's good. Oh. Not bad. That's really good.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, same here.
Now I'm gonna try it myself. Mmm. Recommended.
Yes, very recommended.
Bye. See you next time on Stella's Baking Adventures.
Bye.